What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at the Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller Robot Vacuum and Mop. This has a lot of unique features that I have not seen on any other robot vacuum. Best of all, these aren't just random gimmicks, but features that actually help the robot clean even better. So stick around and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll understand why I think this is one of the best robot vacuums on the market. All right, so taking a look at the robot itself, this is definitely a nice and modern looking unit. I love that it's all matte white, as this is going to help it blend into your kitchen and other areas of your house very easily. This is also a very slim robot at only 3.7 inches, so it can easily fit under furniture and other tight spaces. And then on top, you also have a retractable sensor, which I'll go over later in the video. Taking a look at the docking station, this has a nice and low profile look as well. Again, definitely a very modern looking unit. So coming up top, this is where you have your separate clean and dirty water tanks. And as you can see here, they are very easy to insert and remove. And then if you come down here to the middle, this part removes. And behind this, you have your automatic solution dispensing. As you can see here, this has two different solutions. So you have one that's for general cleaning, and then you have another that's specifically for cleaning up pet messes and getting rid of those pet odors. And as you can see here, they actually include both solutions with the robot vacuum. There's a few other companies out there that have auto solution dispensing, but they make you go out and buy your own solution. So definitely very good to see this one included in the box. And last but not least, here on the right side, you have your dust collection bag, which stores up to 100 days of debris. So assuming you run the vacuum every single day, that still gives you over 3 months before you need to switch it out. Besides the basics I just went over, the docking station also has a ton of different features, which I'll be going over later in the video. All right, so diving into the specs, first off, this has their innovative Aqua Roll mopping, which continuously cleans the roller in real time. So instead of spreading dirt from one area to another, this makes sure you always have a fresh and clean mop. How this works is the robot has 12 nozzles inside, which deliver fresh water to the mop while it's cleaning. And as the mop rolls, it scrubs and pulls all the dirt into the vacuum rather than smearing it around like a traditional mop. Again, definitely one of the best features on this robot that really separates it from everything else out there. The roller mop also spins 100 times per minute and applies 9 to 11 newtons of downward pressure. So besides regular cleaning, it can actually scrub and remove more stubborn stains as well. If all of that wasn't enough, this also has an industry first auto fluffing roller. How this works is there's a module behind the roller that spins in the opposite direction at 1000 RPM. And this makes sure the roller is always loose and fluffy to get the best floor contact and clean possible. Flipping the vacuum over, this has their HyperStream Duo Brush. This is a dual brush system that has a ton of different benefits compared to a regular vacuum. So you have two brushes here and they both spin in opposite directions. This way, anything that's missed by the first brush is automatically swept and picked up by the second one. So as you can see here, you have two different brushes. One is all rubber, which does a great job at lifting larger debris. And then you have another one with bristles on it, and this one is better at pulling up dust from floor gaps. So with both brushes combined, you get the best of both worlds with a much better cleaning performance. Last but not least, these are anti-tangle brushes. So unlike other vacuums that constantly get clogged up with hairs, this one will automatically keep everything nice and clean and also save you time by not having to manually remove hairs as well. This also has their detangling side reach and mop extend technology. As you can see here, the mop and side brush can mechanically extend outward. So compared to any other robot on the market, this is going to clean much better along walls, corners, and other tight spaces as well. Next, we have their innovative Pro Leap system. As you can see here, the robot actually has two legs, and these actually extend to help the robot cross over any obstacles. This includes sills, thresholds, and more, and the robot can even lift one or both legs depending on what it needs to cross. So definitely a very cool feature that lets this robot enter and clean areas where other robots would simply get stuck. One area where robots have really advanced over the years is how they handle obstacle avoidance. I remember my first robot vacuum would just crash into everything and even knock things over, but this one will not be giving you any of those problems thanks to its AstroVision NVIDIA-powered obstacle avoidance. This has two HD AI cameras which have the ability to recognize and avoid over 240 plus objects. So unlike the old days, there is no need to tidy up and clean before you start the vacuum. Just start it up and the robot will automatically handle everything all on its own. If all of that wasn't enough, this also has stereo edge obstacle avoidance, which uses a 3D structure light on the side of the robot to eliminate blind spots and avoid obstacles with even more precision. Another feature I really like is their VersaLift navigation. Like most other robots, you have sensors on top that help the vacuum navigate and perform obstacle avoidance, but on this one, the sensors can actually retract and go inside the robot. This gives the vacuum a lower clearance to clean under furniture and other hard to reach areas, and then once it's back out in the open, that's when the sensors will come back up to give you the best navigation possible. Some vacuums don't have the bump on top and that sacrifices performance, but VersaLift gives you the best of both worlds, allowing you to have a low clearance while maintaining great navigation as well. As you can see here, the robot even has a built-in light that automatically activates to help the robot see and navigate in low light conditions. Last but not least, this also has the world's first auto shield technology, which automatically detects carpets and activates a dual protection mode. I don't have a carpet to display this, but once the robot detects a carpet, the mop will lift 14 millimeters while a baffle extends underneath to cover the mop and make sure your carpets are always dry. Definitely a very cool feature that takes carpet protection further than any other robot vacuum. Besides that, this also has the triple wheel AgiLift chassis. This is an independently adjustable 3-wheel control to help the robot easily move across different surfaces. In carpet scenarios, this will help the robot cross over short pile carpets without getting them wet. Taking a look at the all-in-one power dock, this has a ton of different features to make owning this robot a lot easier and maintenance-free. First off, this has the industry's first thermal tub mop self-cleaning. This soaks the mop roller in 212-degree hot water to deep clean the roller and remove grease and other stubborn stains. And it'll also spin forward and backward to simulate manual scrubbing. All of this works together to keep the roller clean, but also prevents odors and bacteria by making sure it's properly dried. This even dries inside the dust bag and box to make sure that stays odor-free as well. Next, it also has auto empty for dirty water and debris. And last but not least, it also has auto detergent dispensing as well. All in all, definitely a great docking station that makes owning this robot a very easy and hands-free experience. Overall, this is definitely one of the best robot vacuums on the market. It feels well made, it's packed with a ton of features, and most importantly, it does a great job at cleaning. So all in all, if you happen to be shopping for a robot vacuum, I would highly recommend this one here, which again is the Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller. If you would like to purchase or get more information, I'll also have the link in the description as well. All right, well, that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.